time to turn my dry bubble hash into a temple ball. Now I've had it drying for just under 13 days. It's ready to go. Let's do this. I'll be using a Perderno cooking sheet. It will help actually distribute the heat below the hash. A wooden rolling pin, turkey bags, and of course my favorite tool of all, my t-shirt press. At this point, I'm just doing my best to spread the bubble hash as evenly as possible, as thin as possible across the surface area that will be pressed. And I am setting the temperature at about 160 degrees Fahrenheit, pressing for about 20 seconds, then releasing and just rolling it with my rolling pin. After that, I'll just take an opportunity to flip her over and repeat the process one more time. Right after that, I will actually take it and place it into my freezer. I will leave it in the freezer between 30 seconds to 1 minute, just long enough where it allows me to have the ability to remove it from the turkey bag, fold it over, remove it again, fold it over, and then press it with the shirt press one more time, sometimes two more times, but in this case, one more time. So after repeating this process a few times, I will eventually hit the texture I really like with my hash and get it ready for the next step. I start by rolling the hash into a ball, making sure it's compact, and I weigh it out. This one weighed 78 grams. That's a nice sized ball of hash. Now it will now be placed into a bag, which will be vacuum sealed, and then I will place it inside a box alongside some other hash that I've been curing for just under a year. So that will be the process until it's ready to consume in 360 days. Now, I hope you actually enjoyed the video. Don't consider myself, of course, a professional hash maker, but I do love it and I enjoyed the process. But if you have any tips, please send them my way. And again, thanks for watching.